Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today's quick video is how to run in a brand new motorcycle. So here we have the S1000R. It is restricted to about 8,500 RPM, and we have to run it in for about between 300-400 miles to 800 miles. Now, to run in an engine, you really want to put it under varying load, preferably uphill, so you're in effect giving the engine strain but not spanking it. So you know, you can do some little quick missile launches. It's good to vary your ride a lot, but what you shouldn't do when running in an engine is keep things constant. So you don't want to just go on the motorway, engage cruise control here, and then just sit like this forever at 4,000 RPM, because that is not good for your engine. What is good for your engine is varying the revs and the load basically on the engine. So you just want to accelerate up, not especially hard, go through your gears, again shifting down, just basically vary as much. If you find yourself sitting, which you naturally will do, 4,000 RPM, 5,000 RPM on a dual carriageway, then that's when you just need to just be conscious, shift down a gear, shift up a gear, get off that road onto a nice twisty, preferably going uphill, and that's all you really got to do, is just keep giving it a bit of revs, easing off. It's tedious, but it's what your engine wants and it will thank you. So if you find yourself on a dual carriageway, just go 4,000, 6,000, 4,000, 6,000. It's very boring, and then shift between 5th and 6th. 4th is probably a bit excessive. And if you can, avoid dual carriageways and motorways just while you're running in for long stretches of time. As always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope the video was useful. Please give me a like and a comment below. I do get back to everybody on the comments, and thanks.